Hi friends, I'm from Regrob.com and in today's video we are at Pratham Indraprastha project by Pratham Constructions, which is located in Yeshwanthpur, Bangalore. So here we are giving you the exterior view of project towers. This project is sprawled over 1.75 acres of land and carries 4 number of towers with 11 number of floors each. It total comprises of 250 numbers of units. It offers 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. It's an under construction project. So this is the outside view of apartment. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 3 BHK under construction actual flat. So this we have entered into the apartment. And here you can see the living room. Now we have entered into the bedroom with sit-out area. Here is the common washroom. This is another bedroom. This is the kitchen. And just next to the kitchen, this is the bedroom with attached sit-out area. So here you can take a view of ongoing construction work. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 2 BHK model apartment. So this we have entered into spacious living room. With an attached balcony. As here you can see the sit-out area. Now we have entered into first bedroom. Over there you can see the wardrobe. And here is an attached washroom. The balcony area with the room. Now moving next. This is the second bedroom of this flat. The spacious bedroom. Over here you can see the wooden wardrobes fitted in the wall, the balcony area. This is the view of an attached washroom. Here comes the modular kitchen with separate utility area. So friends, in this video we have given you the interior view of a 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments. So thank you friends for watching the video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries, you can call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.